Hello and welcome to Twee. Not tweet, but Twee, which is an amazing AI for English language teachers, but also for students as well if they wish to create their own projects. Let's go into the tools first of all at the top there. Once you get an account, really easy of course, just need to add your email and a password. Right, so take a look at the left. You've got your favorites. Notice here, reading, vocabulary, writing, speaking, grammar, and listening, everything that a student needs. Now, what's great here is that it's really easy for teachers to create interactive activities that they can use with their students. Let's create the first one. This is my favorite. It's called YouTube. So what happens here is that you can either create a script to your YouTube video, and then they can work on that. Or you can create questions for your video. I really like this. So I'm going to click on the video, or I can click here. Okay, it's the same. And then I'm going to go into this. This can be used on your mobile device, and that goes for your students as well. Currently, I'm using my web browser, and I'm using Chrome. So let's start with a YouTube URL over here. We're going to paste it, and then we're going to decide on the type of questions that we want. Now, you can use your own YouTube channel if you have one, or you can use somebody else's YouTube channel, or just get the YouTube video. So here's one. Try to make it short, or you can just use parts of it, but that's okay. You might want your students to watch the whole video. So this is a shorts, a YouTube shorts on this time saver, Twee AI for English language teachers. Now notice I added the link, the video's right here. Next, and the duration, of course, I can shorten this. I can go into open questions. Now, open questions are open-ended questions. A, B, C, D are a multiple choice question. Then you have the true or false. Some students prefer open questions, so this can be customized to suit the particular student. So you can have, it's really fast, so it doesn't take long. You can create a question type for your students according to their preference, whatever they prefer. I know that some students prefer open-ended questions because it gives them a chance to think, and multiple choice questions kind of limit them and they can't think that way. So they just guess or just get the wrong answers. So we're going to choose multiple choice questions. Do the magic. Notice here in the blue, click on that. And notice how fast this happens. This is faster. I've been using ChatGPT and Google Bard for more current things, and ChatGPT for other things that are not current, because ChatGPT, of course, was last updated in 2021. So these are the questions. Now, what's great here is that you get the answers too, because sometimes we come up with great questions, and then we have to go back and think, okay, let's answer them. And sometimes we have a hard time, which is sometimes a good thing, because then we realize that maybe the question is too difficult. So here are the answers, and you can provide your students with the answers as well, which is kind of nice. So they do it, they do their best. When they're done, they get a chance to check their own work, which is kind of nice as well. Notice the copy here at the bottom. You can copy it and take it with you. Or of course, you can copy and paste it the old-fashioned way. That's one way. You can also view as text. Notice now it says text. There is the video, and you can just share this with your students. You can add the YouTube video, the link, or any other links as a QR code using Monkey, which is completely free to get your QR code. And that's what I use. Right, so then we can go on to something else. By the way, you can save as PDF, which is also great. Okay, once you save it as a PDF file, you can take a look at it, give it a title, of course. So here it is as a PDF file. You can share that with your students. And of course, the link is active, which is great, right? All right, that's because it's PDF. Then we're going to go into the reading. Notice what you can do under the reading. You can create text, of course, use Google Bard or ChatGPT for that. Doesn't take much. And then you can add your questions, open-ended, of course, multiple choice and true or false. You can also create a dialogue based on a topic, and you can add titles. Notice everything is here with a bit of explanation. Reading bits. Vocabulary. Notice what can be done with vocabulary. Fill in the gap, word definition. All this Twee will be doing for you. So notice writing tasks, speaking, dialogue, grammar, listening. It's all here. And of course, going to listening, we've got video transcript, video with questions, which is what I did, and YouTube summaries, which is also great. So if we go into video transcript, but mind you can get that on YouTube as well, but you know, it's a lot more fun here. So do the magic, and then you get the actual text. Notice it's transcribing for you. All right, and then hover over me to change the order to hide tools from print or okay. All right, so here we are. Okay, so notice after you do that, you can create fill in the gap, dialogue, and so on. And there are summaries as well. So everything is here with explanations in the center as well. And you can use the YouTube video for that. And notice this is what I had under this. This is tweet. This time I'm going to add a video from YouTube, and then I'm going to add open-ended. Okay, this is so easy, absolutely no thinking. That's what I was saying in the video, in case you wanted to know. Okay, so here's the video for anyone who's interested. This is Twee. This time I'm going to add a video from YouTube, and then I'm going to add... Now, what's nice about this is you can stop it with Edpuzzle, for example, and other tools, such as Enoto on Moodle, and get students the questions within the video. I hope this is something that perhaps Twee will do in the future, so that students can stop it as they do an Edpuzzle and Enoto and ask their questions, and others can reply to it and have a whole social discussion about the video. I hope this has helped. Try it out. Let me know what you did with it, and whether you enjoyed it or not. And if so, what are you going to do about it? Will you be using it? Hopefully you will, but I'd like to hear more from you. So thank you for watching. Have a great day, as always.